12s, 16, 18, another 12, another 16, 12s. These are 16s right here. The 12s, 16s, a couple of 18s, not very many 18s. These are flex. I can use any rim size to fill that, because they don't have any designated specific pricing and slot. And so, based off what the back room has, not very many. I could use what's here. And these are mostly 12s. I'm seeing 16s, 12s, not very many 18s. 18s up at the top. So we can put 12s on this side. The middle area could be 16, 12s, and then a mixture of 16s and 12s. Mostly 12s based off of the stock that's available. Well, let's go in the back room and see what's available. Display, Easy Snap, Sea Stars, Puffies, 16s. Got an 18 in here, mostly 16s. 1, 2, 3, and display 16 Sea Star. And over here, 20s, 24s, 26, 27.5. Mostly flex rack. Bikes can be assembled and put up in the flex rack area. Also flex racks in the middle. Some slots, such as these two, can be built if they're in the back room. But mostly I see a lot of flex tags. So let's go in the back room and see what's available for your 20s, Easy Snaps, 18s, Easy Snaps, BMX Freestyle 20s, 24s, 26, and your 27.5s with your disc brakes. Multi-suspension, and maybe a couple of cruisers. See what's available in the back room. End of the day, 18 complete, assembled, brakes good, test good, handlebars good, pedals good. All tests good.